Hey there! Want to get your hands on some seriously cool AI apps without breaking the bank? Well, check this out. Imagine having all these awesome AI tools like ChatGPT 4, Gemini Pro, and a bunch of others right at your fingertips, all in one place. And get this, no monthly fees. Sounds pretty sweet, right? So here's the deal with OneAi. It's like this super handy dashboard where you can play around with all these top-notch AI tools. We're talking about creating killer content, whipping up amazing artwork, and even coding stuff, all without having to jump between tons of different apps or forking out cash for subscriptions every month. You've got ChatGPT 4 for churning out awesome content, Gemini Pro for all that smart Google stuff, and DALL 3 for making some seriously cool pics. Want videos? Leonardo AI's got you covered. Need to code? Microsoft Copilot Pro is your buddy. There are even tools for translating languages, making AI images, and building your own AI apps. It's like an all-you-can-eat buffet of AI goodness. Single dashboard. Access top-tier AI tools from a single platform. Cost-effective. No more worrying about expensive subscriptions. Get premium AI capabilities for free. Efficiency boost. Streamline your operations and boost productivity with cutting-edge AI technology. The best part? It's all super easy to use. No tech skills required. So if you're ready to dive into the AI playground without emptying your wallet, why not give OneAi a shot? Just hit the link below and let the AI fun begin.